Yes, dear students, heartily welcome to the Biradar Maths channel. Please, the new students that in SSLC, so that students welcome heartily Biradar Maths channels. Please subscribe and like this channel. So therefore, in model question paper, first one, there is completed 34 questions, and today we are discussing about 35th question. What is the 35th questions? That 35th questions very important for your board examination or annual examinations, so that must and should you practice in your home. The questions is given: the angle of depression obtained when an object on the ground is observed from the top of a building of height 30 root of 3 meter is 60 degree. Find the distance of object from the foot of the building. There is given one of the building, that building height 3 root of 3 30 root of 3 meter height building. The observer to the sitting on the building, so is therefore that is called angle of depression. There is the diagram of that is the building AB. AB is the one of building AB. The height 30 root of 3 meter, so is the ground. There is one of the thing, the angle of depression obtained when an object on the ground, so is the object or thing that named C. That person to the looked to point of C or object, so is the first you draw one of the horizontal line, that is BD, so is the angle of depression given 330 root of 3 meter is 60 degree, so is the 60 degree, and BD parallel AC, so is therefore DBC equal to angle of BCA, there is 30 degree. And the question, find the distance the object from the foot of the building. Therefore AB equal to 30 root of 3 meter height of the building. There is given the building height 30 root of 3 meter, depression angle given 60 degree, so is angle DBC equal to the angle of BCA, so is the BCA equal to 60 degree, because BD parallel AC, because there is BD parallel AC, so therefore is the 60 degree, so is the 60 degree. And there is find the distance AC, the distance of object. AC is a distance of object, so therefore in tan 60 degree, there is tan 60 degree equal to opposite side and adjacent side. Opposite side is AB, so is AB upon adjacent side AC. Tan 60 degree, So is the tan 60 degree 0, 30, 45, 60. Root of below finger. So is the root 3. Root of above finger cos theta. So is the root of 1. It means 1. So is the tan 60 degree is root 3. And AB given 30 root of 3. AC the distance. So is the AC into root 3. AC into root 3 equal to 30 into root 3. Therefore, AC equal to 30 root 3 divided by root of 3. Root of 3 cancel. AC equal to 30 meter. The distance of object, the distance of object, the distance of object from the foot of the building, from the foot of the building, foot of the building is 30 meter. So is the answer of given 35th questions. That question is the easy. So is the practice, and because that question is important of your board examination, so that dear students, please practice that question. 35th questions, main question, the end, and in 35th R section. So choosing your questions, anyone. There are 2 questions in 35th. Number first, in R section. So R section, that is given the question. There are 2 wind fans, the given. So is the AB is one of wind fans, and D is the second one of wind fans. Of height 70 meter. So is the 70 meter, and 60 root of 3 meter. There is 60 root of 3 meter height of the 2 wind fans. Either side, so is the standing opposite side of a land. A person standing between them and observes their tips. So is the one person standing between. One side is the one fan and second one side is the second fan. So is the between standing a person, and he observe the tips, the top of the wind fan. That time the angle of elevation. So is the angle of elevation from an 45 degree. So is the first you observe the DE fan. That time the angle of elevation 45 degree. And so is the continue and 30 degree. So is the second wind fan. The observers, so is the angle of elevation 30 degree. Find the distance, the wind fan. Find the distance AD. Therefore, how is the solutions of that question? The first of AB equal to 70 meter height of the wind fan, and second one DE equal to 30 root of 3 meter height the of the wind fan. There are 2 wind fan. The first one is 70 meter. Second wind fan, there is the 60 root of 3 meter. The angle of elevation ACB equal to 30 degree, and there is angle of elevation DCE equal to 45 degree. So find any one. There are 2 triangles. Find you any one of the first. There is first you take that BAC triangle and EDC triangle. 2 triangles you take that any one triangle. So first you find the what is the distance of AC. So is therefore in triangle BAC, so is tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree equal to AB upon AC, AB upon AC. So is the what is the value of tan 30 degree? 0, 30 degree. So is the first of root of sine. So is the below finger 1. Root of above finger cos theta. So is the root 3. Root of 1 upon root of 3. Root of 1 is the 1. So is 1 upon root of 3. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon root 3. AB equal to given 70 and AC. So is the distance. There is AC into 1 AC. 70 root 3, 70 root 3, that is distance of AC. And so is the continue CDE in a triangle CDE, in triangle CDE, there is tan 45 degree. So is the tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree equal to DE upon CD. DE upon CD. There is tan 45 1 upon 1 because tan 45 is answer of 1, tan 45 degree. So is the DE value of 60 root of 3 meter upon CD. CD into 1. So is the CD equal to 1 into 60 root of 3. 60 root of 3 meter. The AC is the answer of 70 root of 3 and CD the answer of 60 root of 3 meter. What is the distance from two fans? So is the distance of two fans of two fans. So is therefore AD equal to AC plus CD. AD equal to AC is the 70 root of 3 meter plus CD 60 root of 3 meter. Therefore, AD equal to root 3 common factor root of 3 and 70 plus so is there 60. There is the final AD equal to 70 plus 60. 70 plus 60 is the 130 root of 3 meter. 130 root of 3 meter distance the two pens. It means AD equal to 130 root of 3 meters. So that is the solutions of in question number 35 or sections. That questions is very important of your examinations because the previous that question asked so many times. So therefore candidates or students are must and should practice that questions. Yes, thank you.